welcome to my channel. My name is Kayla, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 easy vegan lunches. I'm super excited to share this with you. I know when it comes to transitioning to a new diet, it's really hard sometimes to know what you can eat, so hopefully this video can help you. These recipes are very easy. They have minimal ingredients. You can make it within 5 to 10 minutes. These lunches you can take to work, to school. They're kid friendly, and also you could just eat them on a regular day. So without further ado, let's get started with these lunches. So to start, we're going to be making a chickpea sandwich, which is super similar to a tuna fish sandwich, just without the fish. So what you're going to need is half an onion, the juice of half a lemon, about 1/3 of a celery stalk, 1 can of rinsed and washed chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of hummus, some salt, and some pepper. So the first thing you're gonna do is chop your red onion and your celery. So I'm making sure that I'm chopping the onion into really tiny, finely diced pieces. And then I'm going to just leave it to the side for now. So next I'm just going to cut the celery. So the celery serves as a purpose for a little extra crunch. If you don't like the taste of celery, which I know a lot of people don't, you could just sub in some green pepper. So next you're going to get a bowl and throw your can of chickpeas in there, along with your half of a lemon and the 2 tablespoons of hummus. Then you're going to take a fork and then mash the chickpeas until you get a texture that is similar to tuna fish, and you're also just going to mix in all of the hummus. Next you're going to throw your celery and your red onion into the bowl, and then you're just going to mix all of that together. Then you add some salt as well as some pepper, and then you mix all of that together for one last time. Here I'm taking some whole grain bread and then I toast it. And then I just put the chickpea tuna fish on top of the bread as well as some toppings of my choosing. So I decided to go with some tomato as well as some arugula. So there you have it, guys, a delicious lunch that is reminiscent of the classic tuna fish sandwich without all the cruelty, and it's packed with tons of nutrition, fiber, and protein. Next, we're going to make veggie wraps with some oil-free sweet potato fries. Starting with the fries, what you're going to need is 3 small sweet potatoes, some salt, some garlic powder, and some thyme. So you're going to start by peeling all of your sweet potatoes. And you want to get them nice and smooth and get all the skin off. So after you're done peeling your sweet potatoes, you're just going to chop them into long and skinny pieces. Then you're going to let them soak for a little bit in some water just to remove the starches so that they're able to cook better. Then you want to place them on a silicone mat and add your spices. So here I'm adding the garlic powder, the thyme, and then the salt. So then you're going to put them in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. For the veggie wraps, you're going to need some spinach wraps, cucumber, tomato, onion, green pepper, mixed greens, and chickpeas. Chop up all of your veggies and enjoy the array of beautiful colors that are about to go in your belly. And then you take your spinach wrap, start with some mixed greens and then chickpeas, and then place all of your veggies into the wrap. Next, you're going to roll your wrap like a burrito. This was actually pretty difficult because I had some long nails on, but I tried my best. I bet you can do better. And then you cut it in half, and there you have it. first lunch that we're going to be making is vegan pizza. So what you're going to need is a ready-to-bake pizza crust, some pizza sauce, vegan cheese, onions, green peppers, mushrooms, and basil. I started with this ready-to-bake pizza crust. You can use any crust that you want, and some tomato sauce. And then I'm just mixing it and plating it evenly onto the pizza crust. I like a lot of sauce, so I made sure to spread it evenly as well as just make it look saucy. Then I added some vegan cheese. I used the Veggie brand. Next, I put on some red onions. And then I added green pepper. And then some mushrooms. And then as a final topping, I just added some fresh basil leaves. Then I put the pizza in a pizza pan and let it cook in the oven for about 10 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, or until the edges were really brown and the cheese were slightly melted. Then I put some arugula on the top with some crushed red pepper and some garlic powder. Let me tell you, this pizza was absolutely amazing. So please let me know which recipes you guys are looking forward to trying. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope I was able to help you guys in finding some ideas for some vegan lunches. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video in the first place and having an open mind to a vegan diet. I know that it seems very extreme for some people, but just by making a change to 1 or 2 of your meals can really have a huge impact on the planet, on your health, and for the lives of animals. Thank you so much for watching, and it means a lot to me. I hope to see you next time. Bye guys!